Fountainhead School, we believe that education goes beyond academics. Our mission is to nurture leaders with character and competence. That is why we prioritize socio-emotional learning as an essential part of our students' journey. According to KESIL, the Collaborative for Academic, Social and Emotional Learning, SEL focuses on 5 core areas: self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision making. We integrate these into our daily routines and curriculum to ensure holistic development.
Students, now that we have gathered enough resources in our toolbox under the Leader in Me program, for our PYP students, we have the Leader in Me program through which they develop both self-awareness and relationship skills. Students, so who would want to share? How would you feel and what would you do? By practicing the 7 habits of highly effective people, they learn to recognize their emotions, understand their strengths, and take ownership of their actions. At the same time, they build skills for collaboration, teamwork, and mutual respect, which are the key elements of public victory.
And I would first pause and think, and I would, from the next time, I will try to get more correct and less wrong.
We learned about being proactive. Now, if there's any problem, we think how to solve it instead of arguing with others.
For our youngest learners, developing self-management skill through simple activities is essential. With 6 bricks, children build coordination, patience, and perseverance, skills that support their learning and daily routines. Balancing the bricks requires concentration and steady hands. It teaches children how to stay focused, be aware of their body movements, and build self-control. If the bricks fall, they learn resilience, picking them up and trying again without frustration. Through such playful and structured tasks, children develop emotional regulation, patience, and the ability to focus. These activities help as a groundwork for managing challenges effectively.
One of your friends mentioned to tuition or something so we can.
To cultivate social awareness, we have Circle Time, a safe place for the students to share their experience, reflect on their emotions, and explore empathy. So for today's Circle Time, I have a really fun question for you all. I want you to think of a time when you were kind to someone and how did that make you feel? Circle Time takes various forms such as discussion around prompts, group activities, or even read-alouds, all designed to help students understand and respect different perspectives. These sessions help students to feel connected and valued. They learn to understand each other's perspectives and develop compassion.
We strengthen relationship skills through collaborative activities and one-on-one interactions. Regular well-being checks conducted by us ensure students feel supported and heard. These interactions build trust and help them navigate relationships with confidence.
Food first things first.
So today we are going to explore about what is SEL.
Our life class curriculum focuses on responsible decision making. By addressing topics such as self-esteem, bullying, gender stereotyping, body awareness, and emotional intelligence, students learn to evaluate situations and make thoughtful choices. These discussions equip them with tools to handle real-life challenges effectively.
Okay, and the last question is, what is something that you do?
In life class, we talked about how to deal with negative comments. It made me feel more confident and less worried about what others think.
So we all have different strengths and abilities which makes us special.
As I'm good at singing and I can cook delicious food.
Our goal is to make everyone feel safe and supported. Students can reach out anytime. They know we are here to listen.
At Fountainhead, SEL isn't just an add-on. It's woven into everything we do. By consistently nurturing self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making, we are shaping leaders who are not just successful but also compassionate and mindful.